The majority of the people procrastinate when it comes to investing in the stock market. It is excellent that you are amongst the few that are actually trying to put their thoughts into action. Now that you have decided to dive in, the next thing you'd probably do is search online for how to invest in the stock market for beginners. Welcome back to another episode of Investment Crusader. Subscribe to the channel now so you never miss any of our latest content. While there are indeed some reliable online portals with quality posts on stock market tips for beginners, most of it is not very helpful for someone new to stock trading. Rather than looking for innovative tricks or hacks to make money in the market, what you should rely on are time-proven tips that help you become a better trader or investor. The Great Divide: trader or investor. To start with, you should first understand the difference between a trader and an investor. A trader is someone who buys stocks and might sell within minutes, hours, or days. An investor, on the other hand, is a long-term market participant who can hold on to his purchases for several months and even years. You should clearly understand the difference between the two and know what you want to be. This is because trading strategies do not work for investors, and investing strategies fail to work for traders. So, pick a side at the beginning, as this will work as the foundation of your stock market journey. Understand the basics of the stock market. Once you have picked a side, the next step in how to invest in the stock market is to get the basics right. Get the basic idea of what BSE, NSE, Sensex, and Nifty are. Try to know more about what stocks are, stock market timings, who is a stockbroker, how the market moves, etc. to get a general idea about the market. In the bid to make quick money, most beginners often skip learning the basics. But if you are unaware of the basics, it will not be possible for you to build your own trading and investment strategies. Spend at least a few days mastering the basics so that you can actually know what to do once you get yourself a trading account. Selecting a stockbroker. One of the most important decisions that you'd be required to make at the start of your trading journey is to pick a stockbroker. There are several stockbrokers, and the selection can be difficult for beginners. Focus on factors such as the reputation of the broker, trading portal or software, and brokerage to make a decision. Give special attention to the brokerage, as you will be required to pay it, irrespective of whether you make profits or losses on a trade. The brokerage can either be a flat fee or some percentage of the trade value. This is especially important for stock traders, as the brokerage fees of multiple trades adds up very quickly. Stay away from the derivatives market. Another valuable stock market investing for beginners tip is to avoid trading stock derivatives. The derivatives market is mostly made up of futures and options. These are contract-based purchases which have a fixed expiry date. Just like the margin facility, the derivatives market looks very attractive as it allows you to make bigger purchases with little capital. The stock market is not for everyone. While the stock market can be highly rewarding, and a lot of people have made a fortune just from the market, it is not for everyone. Successful stock trading and investing require a lot of knowledge, skills, experience, and discipline, and not everyone has or can develop these qualities. One of the most important stock market trading for beginners advice is to stay away from the market if you have tried it a few times, but things failed to work in your favor. If you are still interested in the stock market, you can consider investing in equity mutual funds. These funds invest your money in the stock market, and the portfolio is managed by experienced professionals. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode all about tips in the stock market. Do you want to invest in stocks? Which stocks are you interested in? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Investment Crusader for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.